Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? I'm doing great. And this is me Adia here. And yeah, I'm back with another vlog, but I'm sure this is gonna be a small vlog because I just wanted to vlog this out. So today I had a holiday and I was not at all productive. Though I had a whole day to be productive, I was not. I think you guys can see that table, my bed. Don't even ask, guys. So I'm thinking of to be productive, but there is a plot twist. So I'm gonna be productive within 1 hour. Like I'm just gonna clean my room within 1 hour. So if I set a time limit, I think I'm gonna do it faster and I won't get distracted easily. So within 1 hour, I'm gonna clean everything and I'm gonna set the timer. So come along and we'll start cleaning. You guys can see how my room is. It's very representable. So I think we're gonna change that and say hi, Whiskey. Whiskey, can you say hi? Okay, guys, he's busy catching flies. So let's just ignore him and let us get to cleaning. I'm so excited. At the same time, I'm scared. I'm just worried what if I don't complete it in 1 hour. But no worries. We're gonna start. I'm gonna keep the timer soon. So let's get to start. Guys, I think I found the chocolate thief. Look what he's doing. He's going for the chocolate. Oh, never mind. And yeah, let's get to cleaning. Guys, so I am going to keep my phone here so you guys can watch me clean the room. And I'm going to set a timer. This is my old phone, so I'm going to set it in this. And we'll see if we can complete it in 1 hour. So I don't know if I have a timer in this. Yeah, I do. Okay, so I'm going to keep it for 0 minutes and 1 hour. There we go. The timer is kept and we're going to start soon. Whiskey, come here. Come here. Say hi. Hi. Guys, he's busy catching flies. Trust me, he is addicted to flies. I don't know, he just loves catching them. So, any which way, let's get cleaning and let's start. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on in one, two, three. Okay, the timer is on. Let's get the start. Yes, I forgot to show you guys the timer. It is 48 minutes right now. I still have 48 minutes. I think I'll be able to manage. So, yeah, 48 minutes is not that bad. So, let's continue. Hey guys, I've made a little bit of progress, but not fully. So as you guys know, tomorrow I don't know when I'm going to upload this vlog. It is definitely going to be late. I'll upload it definitely after Krishna Janmashtami. So tomorrow, no, day after tomorrow is Krishna Janmashtami, and this is a festival which we celebrate grandly. So it's like the most. It's my favorite festival because we'll be doing so many crazy pujas and stuff in my grandma's house. So to celebrate this festival, we're going to my grandma's house tomorrow. So tomorrow early in the morning, so you know what motivated me to do this is because I have to go to my grandma's house tomorrow, and if I don't clean this, I'll come back to this mess. So as soon as I come home, I just want to feel, wow, my room is so clean. Otherwise, if I don't clean it and go and come back, I'll be like, oh god, I have to clean my room, but I have school tomorrow. I'll be going tomorrow and coming back on Sunday. So yeah, if I clean it now, it's gonna be really good. I can enjoy and then I can come back into a new room. I'm a clean room, sorry. I can come back into a clean room. So that's what is motivating me to do it today. And in 1 hour, because I have to do so much of packing, I don't know what I'm gonna wear. So I have to go check that out and I have to do so many things. So that's why I'm doing it in 1 hour and yeah, let's go. looks pretty clean. I am satisfied. This is not very clean, but I'm satisfied because I don't want to clean more than this right now. Any which way it's gonna get dirty in another few minutes because so much of packing, so much of clothes will be thrown on the bed. So yeah, that's all. And I'm gonna show you what I do for positive vibes. Come along. Guys, so I finally finished cleaning. I know this is gonna shock you. We still have 38 minutes left. Can you believe that? It took less than half an hour to clean this room, which is good. I believe because and first of all, if people were questioning why you cleaning your room, why does your mother or not like if why does your mother or the maid clean your room? It's because it's your room. You have to clean it. If you want a room, you have to take responsibility. So yeah, I personally like cleaning it myself. Even if my maid or my aunt cleans, even if my maid or my mom cleans it, I will never be satisfied. So yeah, and finally the room is clean. I do one last step after cleaning my room to give me good vibes, and I'm going to show you what it is, and I'll also show you how my room looks now. So let's go. Okay, guys, so this is what I do to give a good fragrance to my room. I used to put fresheners before, like fresheners. Yeah, what do you call it? Yeah, fresheners, right? Yeah, yeah, you call it fresheners. Yeah, I used to put that for good fragrance, but I realized that is not really good for your skin and it's not even good for your health. So is this. This is also not good. So that's why I only use this much. So usually when my mom does puja, I tell her to like give the last part of it to me so that I use it to my room. I don't use too much as this is also not good for your health and your skin. So I just use this much more than enough to give some positive vibes and good fragrance to your room. So even if you guys want to try this, try it out, but don't keep too much in your room because it's really bad for your reproduction system. So don't keep too much. And yeah, I'm just gonna put it like this. Oops, never mind. Wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it like this, and it's just gonna burn out in 3 or 2 minutes. It's just gonna go off, and that is more than enough. And yeah, it's already smelling so good, and I love it. And yeah, guys, this is all for this vlog. And the funniest thing is that I tried to do a vision board. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Look at that, guys. I tried to do a vision board. This looks like a girl building muscles. No, it is a girl not listening to anything she doesn't want to. And this is all this focus on yourself, goal, confidence. And this is trophies because I have to achieve something this year and eat good food. And to eat good food, I put eat junk food over there and meditate, which I followed for a few days. I followed many things on this vision board for a few days, but I quit them in between. And now I've totally lost the routine. So I'm trying to get it back, but not right now because I'm sure that it is not the time to get all those habits back right now because my exam seasons are coming. I know my exam seasons are coming, and I don't know if I'll be able to vlog this exam season because it's my term exam, guys. And I'm really scared for it because we have like 12 chapters each subject. So I'm really scared for this. And look at the pimple, guys. So cute, right? Yeah. And I won't be able to vlog this exams. If possible, I will just do it for like my easier exams. And yeah, that's all for this vlog, guys. And my room looks pretty clean. I'm so happy. So thanks for watching. Love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe because like I said, it motivates me. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.